My people, now we don't come my channel before. Welcome back. If today na the first time we they reach my channel, say na today be the first time we they use to koro I see me now be this. Welcome to my channel. My name na Soma. Before I continue, make a reminder now. You see that red button there where they write subscribe. Click that button, make you subscribe. After that one, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the notification say I don't upload new video. So na do well. Before I go talk anything, I want people to first watch this video.
Yeah. Would you mind me? What doesn't change anything? But I love you. People are watching.
What is people watching us? This person embarrassing you. Stop doing what you're telling them.
Nigga.
What are you trying to say?
Good on your knees.
On my knees. Why would I do that?
I don't understand you. You are engaging me. You are standing down. You are telling me. Even your. I don't. They are even telling you to kneel down.
I
Like,
really
I don't
love
want-
you. Kneeling down does not show that I love you. I love you, and that is love for you.
Wait,
I have
first,
genuine love.
Wait. Meaning that I
Please
don't
calm
want
down.
this.
People
Like, I
are
don't
here.
want
People
this.
are watching us. People are
People are
watching.
watching you. You are discussing. You are telling me people are watching you. So what?
I really love you from the depth of my heart. I want to show it. It is not by kneeling down. If I kneel down, this is not love anymore. I don't. That is not love. Please, I love you. We have been doing this. We have been in a relationship for more than 5 years, and you should know I really love you.
Ojua, what doing at all is what doing well. So kneel down
There are people here.
and engage her.
I should kneel down. No. If kneeling down means no. If that is to show that I love her, that is not love. I really love you for all this. Why? If I'm going to take you to church, am I going to kneel down will pastor tell me to kneel down to give you wedding ring? Please accept my love. I have sincere love from inside. That is not embarrassment. I really love you. Please take the ring. Please, we have been doing this. Please. Not be until I kneel down, go show say I love you. You know say I love you. We
What
have
are you
been
saying? You are proposing to me. You are standing down. You are telling me that you're doing it. Which type of love? Let me tell you something. Tell me then your fucking love. Okay? Yes, over. Don't touch me. What's the meaning of that? Are you touching me?
No.
What is all this? You called me from far distance and come to this and start embarrassing me. You are engaging me and you're not kneeling down. And I don't want it. Like I don't want it. I don't want someone kneeling down for me. Like I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
If that is love, if kneeling down is love, for me that is not love. I
That
really
is
love
love.
you. The
Then
love I
engage
have for you
yourself.
is.
we're not calling video, sir.
Please, I do.
You don't follow me.
Show us yeah. Bobo go propose to baby. Baby cause say na me you dey propose to. You don't even need that. You don't even need. I don't dey laugh already. You don't even need that. You stand dey propose to me. You stand dey propose to me. You never ready. He no go take the ring until you need that. When I first watch a video, I think maybe na home video, Nollywood, some kind prank or something like that. And later, cause he say, "Be like say they're serious." So now when he friends they call tell say, "Make you need that, nothing did here." But that I come say, "This is serious." So you know, say the first started the blow grammar. Later, now they forget grammar, pidgin English enter everything. But say no go need that. Say if na need that be the thing, no go need that. How una see the matter? Make I talk my own mind as I just see. One thing I want talk. When I listen to the end, though, everybody gets their own opinion. Comment section, they there. When I write on our own opinion. How me I just see the matter be this? How me I just see? She no know say me would dey truthful or me would dey talk true. You know say this need down to propose. You know say now we both style. Now be other one. You know say no be our style before. All of us now don't they do you both style. They do you both style. No be our style. If you really think I so for me, the main thing I say the man he say he won't marry you, he say he love you. I no believe say person need to need that before he go mean anything. But you know say now social media everybody they see say they need that. They go, oh my god, everybody want to do the same style. You even get love, they even stand. Some people they like that do their own proposal. Some people they stand do their own proposal. Our papa them they did that. You know, say things don't they change. Now you both like this one. Our papa they need that. Some of them don't need that. Their marriage still last long. So me, I know if say me, I know if say need that really they important. I know if so. in the die, no need down. I no really mean anything, but now waiting social media they cause. She understand? One of the way to never talk finish. Now waiting social media they cause. Everybody want to do Igbo style. Everybody want to do Igbo style. The woman don't they watch her for TV now. Be the lady, baby don't they watch her for TV now. And I waiting they see for TV, I be social media. And I hungry her. Nothing dead here. But if you take her, some kind man we go really love woman go say I love her well. If not that one she want, I go do one. Shebi, if you think a tradition, may I talk true? My really want woman go say anything you tell I really want marry you. I love you. Anything at all you want, I go do and make her take marry you. No be say to keep person no. But like something like that, I may need that. I go need that. Men are like that. Anything you want, I go give you. Anything you want, I go give you. I want marry. They do one, even traditional one. She be the girl, the man go say one marry girl. Family go say na 3 cow, 1 cow. The man go say any amount of cow, I go do my best, I go provide them. I just they talk like that, you understand? I mean, they go say they want 2 goats, 3 goats. The man go say, hey, if not, I go bring them. Hey, I really want to marry this girl because I love her. That one they happen sometimes. Because if you think her, if you need her, your leg no go gum for them. She understand? I this side they talk and this side they talk and this side because you go see her from different angle. I don't talk and say you know be more say you need that to show say you really want to marry a woman. So men, we don't need that propose. 2 years later, they don't propose. 2 years later, they still leave them as engagement. They never marry you. After 2 years, they go marry another person. They did it. You understand? So for me, I feel say, my sister, if you no quick, if you no let Nida be issue. But at the same time, the man show say he not ready to do anything for the woman where he claims say he love. The man, she say the man. If you watch the video, the man, you see say the man stubborn small. You understand? So you see her, see this. If you see that video, the man, you see her. So the woman stubborn, the man stubborn. You see the way she just they talk. If you look 2 of them. Forget about any other thing. If you look 2 of them, you go advise 2 of them make them marry each other. Talk true. They never even engage. Oh, they already they fight like this. They argue, hot argument like this. How they will come be as husband and wife? Forget proposal now because this one already showed the example of the future where they wait for them. So 2 of them go sit down and say, we not really match. Oh, if 2 of us go they argue like this because at the end of the day, if man believe to need down for woman are the right thing, but the woman feels are different, or the woman feels to need down, the man different. You know say their mentality different. So 2 people need to agree before they go be husband and wife. So this man now go find person maybe say the person go say I don't mind if you need that, you don't need that because they don't match. See argument. People never marry each other. They argue like this. What did they come to where they don't marry each other? Now boxing glove they go they wear inside house. Why they see this kind of thing? So if you think for one side you go say, my sister nothing did there to Nida. My sister, what you want to take Nida? It no matter. But that time you go say, my brother, what you did there to Nida for woman where you say you love? If you really really love her, what you did there? But she say your own understanding of love. He talk and say if na Nida, no, he love you, but if na Nida, now they see. You see say 2 of them no already they no match. You see, so the best advice now say, may they just forget her. Now my own will be that. May they just forget her. No 2 of them no match each other. May they just move on. The argument will hot like this even before marriage. What you will come up after marriage? May they forget her. May they move on with their life. Now so me I see am. Anything we have our own opinion, wanna put her for comment section below. My people, as I don't talk rich like that, I will leave her for there. When I do I say, I watch my video. Until next time, my people. Bye bye you. Bye bye.